Understanding the phrase, trail away, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. In today's video, we'll be diving into the phrase, trail away. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or even in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it, and we'll also look at some examples to help you master the concept. So, stay tuned, and let's unravel the mystery of trail away together. When we say that someone's voice trails away, we're describing how it becomes quieter or less confident, eventually becoming inaudible, like a path that becomes less and less clear until it disappears. This phrase can be used both literally, for voices, and metaphorically, for things that gradually come to an end or become less noticeable. You can use trail away in several situations. In storytelling, to describe a character's diminishing voice when they are unsure, scared, or losing confidence. In daily conversations, when someone stops talking because they are hesitant or emotional. In music or poetry, to describe a note or sound that diminishes in volume or intensity. Bold example: he started to tell me the secret, but his voice trailed away as he looked around to see if anyone was listening. Let's look at how trail away can be used in different contexts. Emotions: her excitement trailed away when she saw the size of the crowd. Physical sound: the music from the parade trailed away as we walked in the opposite direction. Speech and conversation: I asked him about his old school, but his response trailed away into silence. In each context, the phrase, trail away, gives us a visual and auditory cue about the situation's development. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, trail away, and how to use it in your conversations and writing. Remember, learning a new language is like a journey, and sometimes, the path might trail away before becoming clear again. Keep practicing, and you'll find the way to fluency. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language content. See you next time.